I'm back at the rescue house, and I'm up in the attic now. My last video was a video about some really ugly, horrible, nasty stuff we found in the electric panel, but also we're having problems. Look at this mess. This is how we found the stuff strewn all over this attic. This is how it was left by the previous electrical contractor. These boxes should have lids on them. This is dangerous. It's a mess. And this is how you found these right here?
Yes. Yes,
All this was just hanging like this.
Right. This 220 hanging.
So all of these circuits that are sticking out here, did you put those in the boxes?
Yeah, we had to put those all in.
So they were just laying up here.
They were just laying up here, yes.
And then we put the boxes in.
Right.
But they were all bare on the end, right?
Right. Nothing. No wire nuts. No at the very end.
Were they marked already, or is that you?
No, they're marked already, but they didn't have no boxes, no wire nuts. They were turned on.
Man. So someone could have just come up here, some service guy, and got electrocuted. And I don't know why the house hadn't burned down. That's the other thing. I really don't understand why that hadn't happened.
You see the one right there is bent on the end?